Hello friends, you are aware about this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. We are focusing on emerging technologies, digital transformation, and Pharma 4, mainly to achieve operational and business excellence. We are now discussing over here, focused on to smart manufacturing in pharma and how those various gaps either between information technology or operation technology related to technologies as well as the domain requirements are discussed over here. Pharma industry is now at a crossroads and cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data. This needs to be implemented and the potential benefits in manufacturing in supply chain management to support the patients, build the confidence with them, and give them the satisfaction is the main aim. Today, unfortunately, pharma companies are still struggling to bridge up this gap between the technologies and business strategies. So I'm going to discuss in short about that. Why these disconnects are there? Because today there are still technology silos are existing. They are running into the different pockets actually. It could be a system about sales and distribution, could be logistic, could be manufacturing, could be quality, could be outsourcing, and various enterprise applications are still there, and they are failing to get integrated to support to the business goals. Another challenge is there is a resistance to change. The old skills are habituated with the traditional systems and they're working into hierarchies. And adoption of these new emerging technologies, the sharing the data, understanding the new technologies, adopting to them is still a challenge. New technologies require the new skills actually, as we are moving from the traditional systems to analytical systems. Old businesses to the new business requirements is a big challenge actually, and that requires a skilled training. Rescaling, upscaling, and all is required to have an effective implementation. So, what are the consequences of this actually? Consequences are that you are missing the big opportunities. Failure of leveraging the technologies can lead to low innovation, leads to the higher cost of manufacturing, distribution, and finally the cost to the customer. And then that may lead to missed business market opportunities. Operational efficiencies are not achieved. Disjointed systems and processes are there, which leads to lower productivity and profitability. And competitors are getting an advantage of this. Competition is increasing, and in that competition, you are having a disadvantage of not following the latest technology. Smart manufacturing is expecting you to understand this new emerging technologies and follow them to achieve excellence. Now, how this gap can be bridged up? This bridge can be bridged up with consideration of strategic alignments. You have to have a technology innovations, initiatives, starting from the top management level, middle management level, and finally going to the all operational levels to understand what are the business strategies are there, what are the key pain point areas, whether it's a material or whether it's a market of requirement or whether it's a production or it's a quality or regulatory requirement, those I have to understand. This needs to break down those silos actually. The data is not stored into the silos, but it is free flowing, it's integrated, it's across the whole organization with all stakeholders. That requires a building up a collaboration between the business teams and technology teams, actually. And that culture has to build up, sharing the decision making has to come up and all that. That can lead to achieve smart manufacturing and business excellence. You have to invest into the talents. As I discussed earlier, the skills needs to be upgraded. They have to rescale it and all that actually. That will develop, or you may need to acquire the new skills which are available into the market, or you train them to suit it to your requirements from the business's point of view. That is another key area. You have to build agility. You have to have a flexibility of accepting, adopting the system. Your approach has to be more flexible. You have to be open minded to the project and to the technology's implementation. And that needs to have a continuous learning process, actually, as the things are changing, customer requirements are changing, business processes are changing, regulatory requirements are changing. So continuous learning is required to remain with the technology and all. That can lead to smart manufacturing and finally the business. I just gave you in short a brief overview about this concept. More you will find it onto our YouTube channel. There are more than 200 videos are there. At the same time, we are also launching a new course about smart manufacturing into pharma as a learning management system on Udemy platform. Please look at that. We are constantly going to upgrade that with the more and more information and more courses. Please do subscribe and do register over there. Thank you.